be great. I mean, I've seriously been looking forward to this moment like all year long. I love this team. I want to stay with them for as long as possible, so I'm so happy.
Honestly, it's sinking in right now that we're going to state. They'll sink in more later, but right now it's there.
And I'm really proud of the approach that we had. We talked about it a little bit yesterday and worked on it, and it really came, to fruition today. But I mean, you look at her numbers, she is virtually untouchable. I mean, no hitter in the sectional final. If you just keep tracing her numbers, I don't know if she's given up more than 2 runs in a game for a long time. So, but every day is different, and that's the whole thing. The first time we faced her, we expanded our zone a little bit more and things like that. Today we were able to tighten it down and get pitches that we could handle and put some really good swings on it. So, getting to face Bree before did not hurt us today. I mean, just having the ability to have an approach, knowing how she's going to try to attack you primarily, and we did that. And man, I mean, to put those things together it was fun to watch.
We knew they were going to come out. Like I said, you don't get to this point in the season and not play a good team. So they're a good team, and they came out fighting, and like I said, we made some good defensive plays and hit the ball well. It just didn't. We couldn't get any breaks, and like I said, a couple of those, the wind blowing the wrong way, and we played good as a team. So
like throughout the season, we obviously got so much closer and so much more like prepared for this game than we were at the beginning of the season when we played them. So we were just ready to play today.
So what makes Wheelbacher so challenging? She's going to Iowa State. She's D1. She only had 1 loss this season before tonight. What is it about her that made her so good? And then how were you able to use that against her, really?
I feel like her speed was a lot of the problem the first game, so we all just adjusted to the way she threw. And then I don't know, maybe just all the hype that she's gone to Iowa State really put something in our stomachs that she must be really good if she's going all the way to Iowa State, and so we just had to be ready for her.